Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a specific user in a reply on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by opening Twitter and locating the post you wish to respond to. Click on the reply button located below the tweet you want to reply to. This action will open the reply window for you to compose your message. Next, click on the usernames displayed next to replying to. This will enable you to select the specific user you want to include in your reply. Below the tweet, you'll find checkboxes next to the usernames. Click on the checkbox next to the user you wish to tag in your reply. Then, locate the close button in the top right corner of the reply window and click on it to confirm your selection. To complete the process, type out your reply in the text box provided and click the Reply button to post your response with the specific user tagged. By following these simple steps, you can effectively engage with a particular user in your replies on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your interactions and communication on the platform by incorporating this feature. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable Twitter tips and tricks.